Welcome to phase 3 of this project. External works, project achievement, completion and our future. We have now reached completion of this project and we will be handing it over to Ealing Council, and these are affordable rented properties. The impossible has been achieved, and we was told by others that we would not be able to deliver a flat pack solution to meeting Passive House standards. The end result has exceeded my target, especially in the build quality. We've been told that our standards are too high. I take this as a compliment because our competitors will have to increase their standards to match ours. Airtightness achieved, 2.6 cubic per hour per metre square. That's below Passive House minimum. Energy Performance Certificate B, score 86 without using renewable. If renewables are used, the rating would be A and score 96. The average envelope U value is 0.13 watts per metre square Kelvin. The external works of this property will be maintenance free for the next 30 years. I would like to thank our design team who've all had to sign our NDA, and also our product suppliers. Architects CF Muller, Structural Engineer Conisby, Sustainability Consultants XCO2, MEP Butler and Young, the suppliers British Gypsum, Upanar and Velfac. This project would not have happened without the support of Ealing Council and their officers. Dave Baptiste, Head of Housing Development, Robert Turner, Project Manager, and Pat Hayes, now Director of Regeneration at Barking and Dagenham, who put forward our proposal to the Ealing Cabinet Board for approval. Buildeco Future, further R&D development, working with our supply chain using our end-to-end solution, working with our manufacturing partner GMOC, outside the box thinking, reducing delivery time, improving quality, and to be the market leader in MMC. Post-COVID, addressing government Build Back Better, using MMC in addressing skill shortage and unemployment, building net zero carbon houses before 2025.